Hello, welcome to our presentation. In this study, we realize vocabulary knowledge plays a crucial role in acquiring English as a second language. However, vocabulary teaching and learning can be challenging, particularly in rural areas, due to a lack of experienced teachers, instructional resources, technical expertise, and students' motivation to study, resulting in inefficient language acquisition. Various studies on augmented reality and game-based learning in language classrooms have improved vocabulary learning and student motivation. Hence, this study aimed to examine how a recently developed Augmented application, STEM-UP, which was designed to aid in the teaching of vocabulary and the improvement of listening and speaking abilities, facilitated EFL learners' vocabulary acquisition and learning motivation. The participants were 17th-6th graders from a rural elementary school in central Taiwan. Pre-post tests were used to assess the students' shapes-related vocabulary acquisition. The ARCS questionnaire by Kellers, which consists of 4 constructs: attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction, was also administered to gather data on students' learning motivation. During the experiment, the participants were introduced to the Shapes Hunt session, where each student must locate 10 cards hidden throughout the classroom and scan them. When the card is scanned, an object appears along with questions and answers. Feature 1, each student is required to pronounce the answer while recording their responses in the STEM-UP application. The app will assess whether or not they have pronounced the word correctly. The same activity was done in the second meeting. However, the STEM-UP second feature is used in this session, multiple choice questions where students must choose one correct answer from the 3 answers presented. Besides the speaking mode, students can also listen to how native speakers usually pronounce each word with the STEM-UP listening mode. Each question on the app has 3 chances to be answered, and each correct answer will receive 1 point and positive feedback in animations. Furthermore, students can also check their learning logs every time they finish a game. Thus, improving students' autonomy in learning because they can directly assess their learning process and make adjustments when necessary to improve their learning achievements. The results of the findings were: first, the STEM-UP app significantly improved students' vocabulary acquisitions. Second, by incorporating augmented reality game-based learning instruction into rural education, students can experience an authentic and immersive language learning environment. And, third, overall, students were motivated to use STEM-UP for learning. Therefore, the research findings may inspire researchers and EFL instructors to actively incorporate augmented reality game-based learning into the language classroom, to improve students' performance, especially in rural areas.